This is Newcap News with Nerman Esau.
Good evening and thank you for joining us. 2 people were taken to hospital this morning following a 3-vehicle crash near Alcurve. Now it happened on Highway 17 and Highway 3 around 9 a.m. Police say southbound SUV struck a northbound flat deck truck. Now a southbound semi was also involved but fled the scene. Police located the driver and are in the process of questioning him. Now in total, 4 people were involved in the collision. 2 occupants from the SUV were taken to hospital with minor injuries. The investigation is ongoing. A local mother is speaking out about crosswalk safety at a local elementary school. Now, she says parents are parking too close to the crossing and is worried about the safety of students. And Jeremy Thompson reports.
It may be hard to see a pedestrian when they come out of nowhere, but it's even harder when that pedestrian is a small child.
If they're too close to the crosswalk, vehicles approaching the crosswalk cannot see them.
Stephanie Mackinnon has 2 children at Queen Elizabeth School. She says she worries about their safety while they're crossing the street.
We do tell them to be careful and watch. They actually wait for each other before they come, so it's not one's crossing and then the other one's crossing.
This stretch of road is a common concern among parents.
There is a blind corner, and if the driver doesn't see that, then it's a danger to the kids.
It's harder to see the kids, or when you're driving by, it's harder to see the kids when the vehicles are parked right close.
This is the crosswalk outside of Queen Elizabeth Elementary School. It's a popular area for parents to come and drop off and pick up their kids before and after school, and until recently, there were no markings along the curb to tell parents just how far away from the crosswalk they're allowed to park.
If the vehicle is parked that close, you as a driver don't have the amount of time and space required to see the child and brake appropriately.
The new lines should help parents really reinforce that we need to stay away from the crosswalks just to give that safety area for students to cross the street.
The city declined our request for an on-camera interview, but issued a statement saying, quote, "Effective Wednesday, October 1st, the city of Lloydminster will paint the sidewalk curbs yellow to indicate that no parking is permitted 3 meters from the crosswalk at Queen Elizabeth School. This work is being completed for reasons of pedestrian safety," end quote. While the city has painted these lines, they're not quite the legal length.
From a marked pedestrian crossing with signage as well as the markings across the road, the distance is 5 meters away. You're required to park. Any closer than that, and that is an infraction.
The school says the lines are a bit short because of the demand for parking space, but hope they will still be an effective deterrent. Jeremy Thompson, Newcap News.
Well, it's a sweet treat for a good cause. The Lloydminster and District Co-op is once again teaming up with the Lloydminster Region Health Foundation as they raise money for local initiatives. Now, as Bart Padiasic reports, money from every pack of cupcakes sold goes towards the Lloydminster Hospital Mammography Program.
It's all about cupcakes for the bakery staff at the Co-op Marketplace as they get treats ready to be sold.
We spent all day yesterday working on it. I've already seen numerous go out of the store.
This is the 7th year the bakery has taken part in the fundraiser, with every year money going to different health projects. To mark Breast Cancer Awareness Month, all money raised this year will go to the mammography clinic at the hospital.
For someone to be able to get, a referral from their doctor and be able to stay right in Lloydminster is something that we really can't take for granted.
First installed in 2012, according to staff, the mammography unit has been an important addition to the hospital.
I've been running for over 2 years now, and they come in and they're like, wow. There's mammo here. I didn't think there was.
Andrea Perillat says the machine, worth more than $500,000, is well worth the cost, as it already has helped save some lives.
The amount of breast cancers we've caught early on just since I've been running, and I'm fairly new at this, it's surprising to me. And it's kind of a good feeling at the end of the day to know that you catch that early.
And hospital staff say they appreciate the cupcake fundraiser, as they wouldn't be able to provide these services without public support. In the meantime, staff at the bakery are going to continue working through the end of the month as they sell cupcakes for the cause.
So do you ever get sick of cupcakes?
No, cupcakes are always fun to do. Yeah, I love my sweet treats.
Bart Padiasic, Newcap News.